They want us to simplify this. Again, we have an imaginary number, but here it's a binomial complex. It's a complex number, so the only way to do that is we need to multiply the denominator by its conjugate. So that would be 4 plus 3i. And whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. So we get 4 plus 3i. Let's do the numerator, or let's do the denominator first, because if we messed up the denominator, then, like if I chose the wrong conjugate, then we have to do it again. So it's better that we do that than waste our time doing the numerator. So first we do, I could write it out right here. So the denominator, we have 4 minus 3i times 4 plus 3i. I'm just going to do the distributive property way, and I'll write the solution I get over here. So we get 4 times 4, which is 16. Then we get 4 times 3i, which is plus 12i. Then we get minus 12i, and that's where we needed our conjugate, because you can see the i's are going to cancel for that. Then we have negative 3i times 3i, which gives us minus 9i squared. So we get 16 plus, this will become a 9 times negative 1. As you recall, I squared is equivalent to negative 1. Negative 9 times negative 1 gives us plus 9. And then negative 12, that is cancels. So we get 16 plus 9 in the denominator. So again, this is our denominator. We can just do that. And so right here, 16 plus 9, we get 25. So 25 is our denominator, which is good. Let's do our numerator now. We can just label it numerator. So we have 3 times 3 minus 6i. You don't have to do it this way. I just want to not get it all corrupt so you guys could see it a little better. 4 plus 3i. 3 times 4, we get 12. 3 times 3i plus 9i. 6i times 4. 6, 12, 18, 24, minus 24i. And then here we get 18i squared minus 18i squared. We get 12 plus 18 because two negatives make a positive. And then 24, negative 24 plus 9 would give us not 13, 15, minus 15i. Good. And so 12 plus 18 would give us 20, 30, 30 minus 15i. So we put that in the numerator. Okay, so I am going to be kind of strict about this. So if you were to give me this, I'd only give you majority points. I would probably give you like a point off, 2 points off, not a whole question. Like if there's 100 points, I would maybe mark off 2 points. Or a point, just depending on the point spread. But let's simplify that. I could see a GCF of 5 between all three numbers, so I'm going to divide everything by 5. So right here, 30 divided by 5 would be 6, minus 15 would be 3i, and 5 divided by 5 would be 5. So right away I can see it's not simplified, or it is simplified all the way. 6 and 3 can be simplified by each other, but that doesn't matter with the 5 on the bottom. So this would be our final answer. It's finally simplified.